Here's a list of common accounting interview questions along with suggested answers which are asked during interviews. Let's start. 1. Can you explain the accounting equation? The accounting equation is assets equals liabilities plus equity. This equation represents the relationship between what a company owns, which are the assets, what it owes, which are the liabilities, and the owner's interest, known as equity. It ensures that the balance sheet stays balanced. 2. What are the three main financial statements? The three main financial statements are the income statement, which shows the company's revenues and expenses over a specific period, resulting in net profit or loss. The balance sheet, which provides a snapshot of the company's assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time, and the cash flow statement, which details cash inflows and outflows from operating, investing, and financing activities. 3. What is the difference between accounts payable and accounts receivable? Accounts payable represents money the company owes to suppliers for purchases made on credit, while accounts receivable is money owed to the company by customers for goods or services sold on credit. What is accrual accounting? Accrual accounting recognizes revenue and expenses when they are incurred, regardless of when cash is exchanged. This method provides a more accurate picture of a company's financial position than cash accounting, which only records transactions when cash is received or paid. How do you handle discrepancies in financial statements? To handle discrepancies, I would first conduct a thorough review of the financial statements and related documentation. I would compare the figures with supporting records, investigate the source of the discrepancy, and communicate with relevant departments to resolve the issue. Documentation of the resolution process is crucial for future reference. Can you explain the concept of depreciation? Depreciation is the systematic allocation of the cost of a tangible asset over its useful life. It reflects the wear and tear on the asset and is important for matching expenses with revenues. Common methods of depreciation include straight line, declining balance, and units of production. So, what is the purpose of a trial balance? Well, a trial balance is a report that lists all the balances of the general ledger accounts at a specific point in time. Its purpose is to ensure that total debits equal total credits, which helps identify any errors in the accounting records before preparing financial statements. Let's talk about working capital. Working capital is the difference between a company's current assets and current liabilities. It measures a company's short-term liquidity and operational efficiency. Positive working capital indicates that a company can cover its short-term obligations, while negative working capital may signal financial trouble. Now, on to the revenue recognition principle. The revenue recognition principle dictates that revenue should be recognized when it is earned and realizable, regardless of when cash is received. This principle ensures that financial statements reflect the true financial performance of a business during a specific period. So, how do you ensure accuracy in your accounting work? Well, I ensure accuracy by maintaining meticulous records, double-checking calculations, and using accounting software to minimize human error. Regular reconciliations of accounts and periodic reviews of financial statements also help identify discrepancies early. What accounting software are you familiar with? I have experience with several accounting software programs including QuickBooks, Sage, and Microsoft Excel. I'm comfortable adapting to new software as needed and understand the importance of choosing the right tool for specific accounting tasks. How do you stay updated with accounting standards and regulations? I stay updated by subscribing to professional accounting journals, participating in webinars and workshops, and following relevant organizations like the Financial Accounting Standards Board and the International Financial Reporting Standards. Continuous professional education is essential in this field. These questions and answers provide a comprehensive overview of key accounting concepts and practices that are often discussed in interviews. Be prepared to elaborate on your answers with examples from your experience to demonstrate your understanding and skills.